turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the 2 plastic rivets that hold the glove box cover in place, levering the central part. Next, delicately place all of it on the passenger side carpet. Using the same flathead screwdriver, remove the plastic rivet holding the lower dashboard casing. To do this, you must pull it towards you to free it from the clips that hold it in place. Using a 20mm torque key, remove the 2 holding screws on the cabin filter flange before removing it. Once removed, take the cabin filter and pull towards you to extract it from the compartment, lifting any cables that get in the way. There are 2 types of cabin filter. The white ones are called pollen filters, while the black ones are called activated charcoal filters. The first ones help prevent dust from entering, while the second filters are both dust and gases. The choice is yours. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. Make sure you identify the airflow arrows in order to position it the right way round. Don't hesitate to fold the filter to insert it more easily. Put the flange back on and screw in the 2 holding screws with a 20mm Torx key. Put the casing back on, clipping it in to start with. You can use a flathead screwdriver as a lever to avoid the pieces of plastic overlapping and getting stuck. Finish off by screwing it in place with a plastic rivet. Put the cover under the glove box compartment back on, inserting it into its housing. Then, fix the central part in place with the plastic studs. Operation completed.